Hello, I'm Rob, and today we're looking at how to extend or increase partition sizes in Windows Server systems. I'll be going through two methods. There's a standard inbuilt disk management in the Windows Server OS, which is limited in features, but I'll also go through the EaseUS Partition Master Technician, which has some unique features not found in disk management. Both methods work on all Windows Server systems, young and old. And if disk management can't do the job, try the EaseUS Partition Master Technician, which is much more fully featured. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the EaseUS channel for more great tips in the future. Before making changes in disk management, back up any important data, as it can be lost when making changes to partitions in disk management. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and S at the same time to open the search box. Type Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions in the search box and select it. Okay, to extend or increase partition size, you first need to make sure you have enough free unallocated space next to the target partition. If there isn't, you'll need to shrink or delete a neighbor partition beforehand. As an example, if I want to add more space to D drive, I can delete my empty E drive by right-clicking on it and selecting Delete. I can then right-click on D drive and choose Extend to add the unallocated space to it. Extending partitions in disk management is a bit cumbersome and data would likely be lost this way, so make sure to have a backup. Okay, so let's look at the second method. Download the EaseUS Partition Master Technician and install it from the link in the video description. Since this software has some useful features not found in DiskPart, I'm going to show 3 scenarios. Scenario 1. No unallocated space. If you have no unallocated space left on the server drive at all, you can use the Allocate Space feature in the software. This doesn't require deleting or shrinking partitions in advance and adds any unused storage you have remaining on your drive. Select the drive you'll allocate space from. Then select Allocate Space. Finally, select the target partition that you want to extend the free space to. Drag the partition panel to the right by the amount of space you'd like and click OK. If you're happy, execute the action. Scenario 2. Extend with neighbor volume. If you have a neighbor volume with enough for extending the current target partition, you can use the Extend Shrink feature. Drag the handle of the target partition to the right as required. This feature automatically moves free space from the neighbor volume to your current partition. Scenario 3. Increase volume with unallocated space. If you've got some unallocated space remaining on the storage drive, you can use the Resize Move feature to add the allocated space into the target volume. Choose the partition you want to add the allocated space to, and add the unallocated storage as needed. Execute the action. The EaseUS Partition Master has other advanced features including Migrate OS to hard drive or SSD, clone disk, convert MBR to GPT or GPT to MBR, merge partitions without data loss, and partition recovery. As you can see, the Windows Disk Management is lacking features and cumbersome in comparison. Partition Master is quicker to use, has plenty more useful features, and without the data loss. You can try it yourself by downloading the software to manage the drives on your server PC. Thanks for watching, subscribe, share, and like this video for more in the future. See you later.